Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add effects on Instagram Reels. Let's get started. First, you open up your Instagram account and swipe your screen to the right to activate Instagram camera. Select Reel at the bottom of your screen, and then you can see circle icons beside the shutter, and those represent the effects that are available for your Reels. So drag it left or right, or simply tap on it to select an effect. And once you've selected an effect, hold down your finger to record a reel with your chosen effect. Then release your finger to stop recording and click next once you're done. You can also add effects to pre-recorded photos or videos. So to do that, just select any medium, photo or video from your camera roll, hit next, resize, and move your photo or video around, and click the sparkle icon at the top of your screen. And again, just choose an effect that you want to apply to your photo or video and click next once you're satisfied. And that's how you can add effects on your Instagram Reels. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!